We have a special car here today, folks. It's a 1972 Camaro Z28 with the very desirable Rally Sport. It's been body off frame, rotisserie restored, numbers match motor, trans, color. The trans, by the way, is an M22 rock crusher. Even in my line of work where I see all these cars come and go, I can't tell you the last time I've actually seen an M22. That's a pretty big deal. You know what else is a big deal is this old brown piece of paper. This is the original build sheet that goes down the assembly line with the car so they know how to build the car. This documents it. What you're seeing right here is the real deal. It was born like you see it. The color, the options, the features is just the way it was done to the reproduction tires. When you hold this up to the light, you can easily read everything. There's a picture of it on our website along with a Xerox copy that's a lot more legible. So it's a number match documented car. It will also come with all sorts of literature. There's some miscellaneous records and an appraisal on the car. The restoration was finished in 2015. There's not even 2,000 miles on it since it's been done. So go to volocars.com. That's where you can look at photos top to bottom. That's where you can read all the information. And that's where you'll find a price tag on any one of our cars for sale, along with the monthly finance option. That's at volocars.com. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon. You'll be notified when the next video is posted. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, so underneath this car is beautiful, completely restored, just like the factory. There's no coilover shocks or nothing like that, but the body was taken off the frame, every component removed, flipped on a rotisserie, so the whole bottom of the car was restored, all clean metal, all painted a semi-gloss black. This car has the F41, that's the sport suspension. I know it has front and rear sway bars, probably heavier duty shocks and springs. It's all been rebuilt. All the suspension, all the steering, front and back, all redone. You know, ball joints, bushings, you name it. It has the correct dual exhaust system. It's a Gardner exhaust, just like the original. 2 pipes going to 1 transverse muffler, and then it has the polished tailpipes going out the back. The fuel system's all been replaced. Brake systems all been restored, disc brakes in front. Of course, the fuel lines, brake lines, e-brake cables, all that's been replaced. You look up at the motor, it's clean Chevy orange. The factory type starter looks fresh. VIN number matching M22 rock crusher trans. All looks clean, the linkage, all that looks real nice. The drive shaft is new. It has a 10-bolt rear end with 373 posi gears in the back. Now let's take another minute to talk about that transmission. The rock crusher, you just have taller, I think, teeth on the gears, so it makes a whining noise when you're driving it. Not annoying, but you'll hear it. It is different than the others. You can tell just by driving it. It has the rock crusher. It's just a stronger transmission. I don't have the exact numbers in my head, but it's on our website. They made about 700 and something M22s total. And all the Camaros built in 72, only 700 and something got M22 4-speeds. Very small percentage of the Camaros were Z28s. One of the lowest production years is 72. I think it was somewhere around 25 or 2,600. Only 16% of the Camaros had a Rally Sport. So take a Z28 with a Rally Sport with an M22 rock crusher. This is an extremely rare and desirable piece. And again, been doing this for a long time. It's been years, I think, since I've actually had an M22. Actually, when he said this car had an M22 before I seen it, when the gentleman was telling me about it, I said, yeah, I hear that all the time. It probably isn't an M22. This one really is. Okay, now the body, let's check it out. Car was actually sold new here in Illinois, but somehow went out to Arizona. That's where it was restored. And I think it must have lived out there for a while because it's a really clean car. So the body is excellent. And this is done in 2015, and I don't see anything shrinking or cracking or showing. No typical cracks here. All this is super clean. No bubbles. That gap is right on the money. No bubbles, no blisters. No shrinkage, no body damage. This all lines up square and flush. It's all in excellent shape. Straight, no issues, no bubbles, no damage. Fits beautifully. I'm looking at a body that's a 10. I don't see anything to tell you about the body. It has the factory spot weld dimples around the wheel well lip here. So excellent body. It has the front and rear spoilers. This is the taller dovetail spoiler. Repainted its original color. It was called Pewter in 1972. And the metal flake is laid out evenly. It's all one color. It's not cloudy or blotchy. The clear coat is polished like glass. The paint is better than when it left the factory. The black stripes are painted on, smooth to the touch. So the Rally Sport, aside from the front end, I think also included these polished rings around the tail lights. Everything back here is sparkling. The bumper, the emblem, tail lights, the lock, everything's beautiful. The rear window is crystal clear. The anodized trim is real nice. It's not stainless. I think it's anodized, so it's got a little cloudiness to it. That's just kind of typical of them. Door handles look real nice. The locks are polished. All the rubber, the seals, and weather strips are replaced. This has the sport mirrors. That's right on the build sheet. Windshield is nice and clear. There's a tiny chip in the glass right here. It's not cracked. It's a little surface chip. The wheels are restored. They're the correct 15-inch wheels with reproduction wide oval Firestone tires. Now the Rally Sport has the nose that sticks out. So they call it a split bumper because it has two bumpers instead of one. It just changes the whole configuration of the lighting on a Rally Sport. I think that just about wraps up the outside. Let's get inside and see what we got. You'll see a really nice trunk here in a second. So under the trunk lid and the jamb are painted real nicely to match the car. Weather strip is replaced. The trunk is rock solid, clean metal. I felt up in the quarters for splices where they might have cut off the quarters. I didn't feel any. They could be the original quarters. Neatly spatter finish painted. But check all this out. This is a reproduction tire. It's never been used on a restored matching wheel. Look at the jack assembly. It all looks like new. Now this wheel will get bolted right here. I think they kept it separated just so you could see it all. But that's a complete and beautiful trunk compartment. Every car, I buy the best cars available, and then they still run through our shop for an inspection. This one passed pretty easily. I think we replaced the horns, a reverse light, some miscellaneous stuff. It's inspected and ready to go. Jambs are painted slick. Bottom of the door is clean. The weather strips and sill plates are replaced. Door panels are all in mint shape. Window cranks, all that's excellent. Now this has the full instrumentation. Z28 comes with a higher red line. It's a 6500 red line tachometer because it's a solid lifter motor. It revs higher. The dash pad's been replaced. It has a real mild buckle, and if you know anything about these Camaros, you'll be very happy with this because they curl really bad. This one's really good. This is all in nice shape. Originally, I think it came with an AM radio. They found a correct FM and put it in here. It does work. Aside from the box of literature, there is an owner's manual. The vents, the kick panels, all real nice. Nice carpet. You got the original 4-speed shifter. Steering wheel's real nice. This might be the original seat covers. There's a few little cracks and split in the seam right here. I think they're chose to stay with the original seats. The foam is really good in them. The back seats are in excellent shape. The side panels are real nice. All the original seat belts. It's all real good. The back shelf and all the trim is real nice. Headliner's tight as a drum. Dome light works. Visors are mint. The mirror's a little cloudy. Very, very nice interior. Steering wheel, all of it's real good. Okay, that is a correct 350 motor. The dates line up with the car. The VIN and the codes stamped on the front, which there's a picture on our website. That all lines up nicely. It has correct components. The factory aluminum intake, hiding under the big dual snorkel air cleaner, is a correct polycarb with all the correct, there's little relays or actuators for choke and things like that. That's all there. Correct distributor, even with date-coded plug wires. The finned valve covers, the right exhaust manifolds, the correct hoses are all clamped down properly, the hose clamps, all that's correct. Back over here for a second though, reproduction Delco battery, not one of them toppers that sit on there. This is an actual Delco battery. Correct cap, the shroud, everything's correct. This has a deep groove pulleys so the belts don't fly off when you're revving it high. This is the last year this solid lifter engine was available from Chevy. We got the vacuum lines, the overflow bottle, a GM hose. All this is correct. Cadmium plated brake booster and the wiper motor's restored. We got hood insulation. All the metal surfaces are painted real nicely. Original AM/FM radios playing. Very nice car. Aside from being a rotisserie restored, again, number matched, documented with a build sheet, and I love that M22 4-speed. Very desirable piece. If you got 50 cars, this is worthy of any collection. If this is going to be your only car, what a car to have. It's ready to go cruise, go to the car shows, and watch it go up in value. Right now, you can go to volocars.com, talk to the salesman. They'll help answer your questions. They'll help you finance it, get it delivered to your door at volocars.com. And if you enjoyed the videos, subscribe and click on the bell icon. That way you're just sent a notification when a new video is posted. Thanks for watching.